Okay, so after a lot of technical issues, I am finally back, and I hope you guys are not sleeping after the heavy lunch. So to start things on lighter note, I would quote a very famous Bollywood dialogue, but because I'm standing on one of the most prestigious stages and it gives me permission to be a little more dramatic, so here it goes. अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. Very poetic, very beautiful, very hopeful, right? But let me tell you what actually goes behind into all of this. अगर किसी चीज़ को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो पहले तो ज़िंदगी तुम्हें कंफ्यूज करती है, 2-3 बार गिराती है एंड समटाइम्स जॉब से भी निकलवाती है. Yes, you heard that right. And after all of this mess, maybe the universe would say, okay, you really want this, let's make it happen. Because the truth is, my journey did not start with big dreams of entrepreneurship or leadership. It actually started on a very quieter note, and I just wanted to be financially independent. That's it. While most people dreamt of becoming engineers, entrepreneurs, pilots, I just wanted to be financially independent. That's it. Entrepreneurship, that was never the part of plan. But it happened, and it happened as a byproduct of my journey. And if you had met me during my childhood, you would have never believed this story that I'm standing right here on this platform, because as a child, I was a child with low self-esteem. I was the one, जिसके बारे में a lot of ugly things were written on the school confession pages. But now when I look back, I think all of this had a meaning, and सच में कायनात was working towards building me. Right, so this was the whole journey, and my life actually started on a pretty good note. I did my internship, then COVID came, I had to move into another industry. I switched to 3D industry. And for a young person, starting out, Red Bull seemed a great opportunity, and I finally thought that finally things are working out in my favor, right? So I started at Red Bull, then COVID came, I switched into 3D. And then the opportunity was great, good role, good opportunity, but very soon I realized that the work culture over there was very toxic. And I remember something that a person said to me from that particular company, that मेरी औकात तो सिर्फ Red Bull में डब्बे उठाने की है, that my worth was to pick Red Bull cans. And the hardest part or the sad part was, it wasn't that someone said it to me, it was actually I believed in that thing for a moment. I actually believe that I am worthless, I can never make money, or I am not the leadership material. I am the so-called lallu, champu types, because that's what I had in my school time. That was the impression that I was given to me. And sometimes the negative things you hear about yourself, they slowly become part of your personality. But then, life is so beautiful, it has its own ways of challenging you. Right, and then I switched jobs, and then I switched another job, and one thing that I realized about myself is I always wanted to be work. Doesn't matter the kind of work, doesn't matter the job profile, I just wanted to work. And during the second company, I actually realized that I was making good money, but the worst part, it took away a lot of my mental health. Okay, so let me just start from where I left. And so I was saying, sometimes the dangerous beliefs in our life are not the ones that people say to us, but they are the ones that we start saying to ourselves. But life has its own ways of proving, those beliefs wrong. Sometimes through failure, sometimes through embarrassment, and sometimes through getting fired, and that too twice. Yes, in my corporate journey, I've been fired twice, and I ultimately understood that, okay, this is life telling me something in bold letters that, dude, I need to start something of my own. Maybe job mere bas ki nahi hai. So I started doing night shifts from a very fancy setup to a night shift role. And I switched to a night shift role because I was like, during the day I can work something of my own. So the switches continued. I moved to different jobs. Another job, then another job, then I got fired again, then another job, okay, thank you, then another job. But the thing ultimately is that we just need to look at the messages, the indication that life throws at us. And when I was fired from my last job, at that point I actually did not panic. I took a moment for myself and I thought, okay, I really need to stop chasing things, stop chasing for another job, and I need to start something of my own. So I finally left the job, मतलब fire ही कर दिया था, so I had like no other option, which I don't recommend. You need to have a safety plan, you need to have a backup plan, which I did never had, because I was always chasing or looking for a safety net. So I finally started something of my own, and my life already took very interesting turns. Started off at Red Bull, then moved to 3D industry, and then I did LinkedIn branding, but deep down I was always fascinated with 3D. So I started experimenting. I took up some freelancing projects, learned new things, failed at others, and then I just kept going. And then eventually I had my first person, then second, then we were a team of 5, and today, right here, right now, we are at a team of 50 3D artists, and we have our own office space in Mohali. It took me 1 year, but now if I could look back at that Shaguna from the school times, sitting somewhere here in the audience, I would actually look at her and say to her, dude, we made it. Kar liya. It wasn't easy, it wasn't without humiliation, it wasn't without getting fired, but I made it. So if anybody out there who actually wants to start something of their own and you have that quiet wish inside of you, you should definitely follow it. It is challenging. Life will flip you upside down. It's going to get difficult. Sometimes it will take the hell out of you. But after a while, when you look back at the journey was totally worth it. And I'm very happy to say that the Shaguna, any Shaguna out of there who's shy, scared, doubtful, confused, I am telling it to you on your face, you need to do it, and it's all worth it. Thank you.